guys, this is Kori, and today I want to show you guys a really helpful database resource we have called Explora for high schools. Explora is great for students in grades 6 through 12 that are working on research projects or just want to know more about a topic in general. It offers magazine articles, encyclopedias, book resources, and just really technical information on a wide variety of topics, so it's very, very helpful. So if you are interested in using this, once you're on the regular library website, library.nrhtx.com, you'll go to the Books and More tab. Just hover over this. You'll see all these links. We're going to go to the right-hand side where it says Research and Learn. And Explora is going to be located under the texture databases. So once you click on that texture database link on our website, you'll scroll down. Now there's a lot of database resources on here. We will just focus on this one today, but definitely check out the others if you're interested. So ours is going to be located under the K through 12 resources, so we can click here. You can also look at resources alphabetically to find it too, but the K through 12 will bring it up quite a bit faster. And here it is. So anytime that you're interested in one of these resources, you can just hover your mouse over it and it will give you a brief description on what that database does. So Explora is right here. Now, I was already logged into the library database. I already have that password. On a normal day, it will ask for the library that you're using. So, of course, you would choose Northridge and Hills Library and a password. Please email us if you do not have that password. You can email us at the reference email. It would be reference@nrhtx.com. Please email us if you do not have the password and you need access to these databases. So, once you've clicked on the Explorer link from the texture portal, you'll see the standard search bar at the top. If you already have a topic in mind, you can just type it right here. If you are browsing topics or have a student who isn't sure what they want to do their research on, please scroll down to the bottom. You'll see subjects kind of divided up, and they can click on more and it will show them common links or common topics that other people have searched. Just because you do not see a topic here does not mean they don't have information on it. So please look if you don't see something that catches your eye or your interest. So today we'll do an example for a more specific topic though. Say you have a student doing a project on braking systems. You'll see we got quite a few results on even a pretty specific topic. So we had 1,600 results. So if that's a bit overwhelming for you, because it definitely is for me, you can refine your results on the left-hand side. Here we have a publication date sliding bar. If you are looking for more modern information, you can slide that over to the right and it will narrow down those results for you. So we still have quite a few. We went from 1,600 to 400. It's a little more manageable. You can also say that if you want peer-reviewed journals or if you just want the full text of the article, you can narrow it down there. You can also limit the source type, like say if you know you need it from an encyclopedia or you want it specifically from a magazine, you can narrow it down this way. And also, we have something called Lexile range down at the bottom. This is like a reading comprehension range. A higher Lexile range means a higher reading ability or reading comprehension ability. And lower Lexile range just means that it wouldn't be as wordy or have these really, really high diction words. So definitely narrow this down. If you find out that you're getting articles that are too wordy, feel free to choose a lower Lexile range. Or if you are looking for something that is maybe a little more technical, definitely choose a higher Lexile range. There are some really cool features about this database. You can save items to a folder. That's what this icon is at the top. If you are trying to compile a bunch of resources together, you can add items to your folder and view them later. This is very, very helpful. You can also sign in and create your own Explora account. Once you are logged into the library, it'll allow you to create your own account to save items in a folder and come back to them later. So if we choose an article, we'll just choose the first one. It'll bring you directly to the article itself. You can scroll through and read it. This was a magazine article from Hot Rod Magazine. It's pretty technical. It's very, very informative. It's got quite a few pictures. If you want, you can save this to your Google Drive. That's what these icons are on the right-hand side. This is a toolbar. You can print the article, email it to yourself. You can remove it from your folder because I added this one to mine. If I realized this is not what I wanted, I could click this and remove it. You could also cite the source. This is very, very helpful for those doing research papers. It'll have all the different citation sources you would need, APA, MLA, everything like that. So this is very, very helpful if you need to cite your sources in your article, which you definitely should be doing. And then the other thing too is you can go back and forth between different views. Like, so we're on the PDF full text for this article right now. If you wanted to go to more detailed, like if you wanted to see when it was written, when it was published, if you click the detailed record at the top, we were on the PDF view before, you can use this view and get a little bit more information on the article itself, not so much the information in the article. This is very, very helpful. You'll still see those tools off to the side. The last thing I'll show you guys is if you do save things to folders, you can access them up here in the right-hand side and come back to them. So we had added that article from before into our folder. And you'll also notice that it gives you some default folders too. So if you have something that you want, like certain videos, because they did have videos on there, pictures, ebooks, audiobooks, just notes in general, you can create these individual folders and add items to these folders too. So ours saved to the articles because that's the resource we got it from. Explora for High Schools is a really helpful resource. I hope you'll find it informative and useful, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much.